Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or have solved the problem of Splice. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you'll search about Splice. In this page of app on file we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In this page you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.